Okay, so the next thing is we're going to consider error message in ChatGPT. Sometimes you may have some error messages. Sometimes when your internet network is bad and your request cannot be processed, or sometimes when there are too many people online, too many prompts in the system, you can have some error messages. For example, let's say write an essay about sustainability, and you can hit on enter and you can see we got this error message. Either the engine you requested does not exist, or there was another issue processing your request. So if this issue persists, please contact us through our help center at help.openai.com. Okay, so this is one of the errors. You can easily check your internet quality. That's the first one. Check your internet service. If it is okay, you can always request for more, regenerate the response. Maybe you regenerate it and you can see and you happen to see the same thing. And in some cases, another thing that may happen is that maybe you wrote something that is harmful to the system and quickly reject it. Because it's something, sometimes if you wrote something like that, it can just easily reject it, and you just have to rewrite it again using a final language. Or in some cases, for you to get around this, you have to come over and say new chat, or you can refresh the page entirely. In some cases, you have to refresh the page, or you can come over to new chat and just continue. But in most cases, when you refresh the page, it used to be okay. Or you can just refresh and restart again. Or if you have saved something, you can just come over here. If you're working on something and that happens, you can always find the history over here. Once it generated something, it's always saving for you automatically. Okay, so you can find it also from here, from the sidebars over here. Another way you can do it to manage such errors is you can just log off. Okay, you can just log out and log in again, and I think that helps a lot. You can just log out and you can log in again using your login details that you've provided to it, the username and the password, and just provide it. Okay, so you can re-log in and you will have access to the same feature, because sometimes in some cases people are trying to access the system and do a lot of research and other things with it. So you can use the re-logging in as an option to get back to the ChatGPT and continue from where you stop. So basically, this is how to manage error message, refresh the page, restart, or create a new chat in cases when you have to create a new chat, or log out and re-log in again. We are using the same feature. I think that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.